Hi everyone, it's Tiana at Maniology.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve the perfect stamped manicure. There are some key items you need to start nail stamping. Stamping plate, scraper, stamper, and stamping polish. There are a few extra items that are helpful in the stamping process, like 100% acetone, cotton, Scotch tape, and a smudge-free top coat. Before we begin, there are a few quick tips I want to mention. You'll notice when you receive your stamping plate, it has a protective blue film. This film is a barrier ensuring your plate doesn't get scratched while being shipped to you. Please go ahead and remove this. This is a clear stamper. This stamper is super helpful because you can see through the stamper head and properly line up your image to your nail. Before using the stamper, use your Scotch tape to clean off the surface of the stamper head. This will ensure your stamper head is ready to go. Now that we're ready, let's have some fun. Start with completely dried painted nails. Select an image and apply a polish. Take your scraper and swipe at a 45-degree angle. Quickly grab your stamper and pick up the image. Then line up the design to your nail and firmly press the design into your nail, like a stamp. Let's try it again. Apply your stamping polish and scrape the excess polish, keeping your scraper at a 45-degree angle. It's important that you don't forcefully smash your stamper head onto your nail or nail plate. If you happen to pick up any excess polish, just use the flat edge of your scraper card or Scotch tape to remove the excess polish. An even but firm push into your nail is all you'll need. Once you finish stamping, apply a smudge-free top coat to protect your art. Thanks for watching, and we hope you love your new stamped manicure. Now you'll have all the tips and tools you need to artistically express yourself. Remember, practice makes extraordinary. Happy stamping!